Crude oil WTI opened the week on a flatter note. It is not trying to drop or not trying to rise. Right now we're trading in a very narrow range and in a very critical levels at 82.6. Very strong resistance there, and on the downside still there are supports for crude oil. Likewise, most importantly, net gas has given a good rise, good gap up, and see 2.32, that is what it needs to break, and I have told you several times, and now we are all waiting for it to break past by 2.32. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly high. So now which position you should take in crude oil and net gas today, at what levels, and how to profit trading these two, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into crude oil and followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts of crude oil here. See how it has behaved in last few candles. They see the consolidation breakout, again consolidating here. And remember, this is where it needs to show you a breakout. Certainly, any move above 83.5 is. Now, look closely on the hourly charts for oil. You will find consolidation here. Now, certainly, I will recommend you to wait for it to a little more and wait for it to break past 82 and 81.8 zone, which is certainly, rather I will say 81.4. These are very, very strong support levels, and even if you are taking a sell entry here at 82.2 levels, 82 levels, you have to wait for it on the downside, because every 20 cents there is a little support. Now, if you look at the hourly charts closely here, you will also find that lower highs are seen. And you can see here, let's observe more closely, you will find 82.6, which is a level we have been tracking since long. It is a good resistance zone, and hence yes, you can initiate a buy entry here at 82.6. However, 82.8, 83 till 83.5, it has got very, very stronger resistance there. See 83.2 also giving it a little resistance. So till 83.5 it has got very strong resistance, and hence you have to be careful till then. So on the downside, remember, on the downside till 81.4 and on the upside till 83.5, these $2 are going to remain very important, because we have seen oil consolidating and getting support at these levels. And in fact, if it breaks below 81.4, remember, for the near term, 79.4 levels is something it has to break past by, then we can expect a sharper drop. Till the time, possibility of it to bounce back exists very strong. Now look, stochastic has dropped there. The MACD is at bottom. The RSI is almost trading flat. So in the near term time frames, no indication there. Now look at the moving averages there and the 2-hour charts. See also the Bollinger Band width has narrowed there, and hence bigger moves are awaited. Right now it is very much into consolidation. Let it give a breakout, and that is to be confirmed. If you see it trading below 82, very good support there, 82, 81.8, and hence sell at 82, buy at 82.6, or rather I will say buy at 82.6. However, 83, 83.2, 83.5, very, very stronger resistance, and hence you have to be cautious of there. You have to put a trailing stop loss. See on the upside and downside both, just put a trailing stop loss of 20 cents, because see, we have seen it swinging good, and hence you have to be watchful there. The MACD is at bottom trying to converge, RSI trying to look down. And if you look at 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, waiting for a breakout here too. The stochastic, the MACD here is divergent and bearish, and the stochastic is also looking down here, trying to show slight bearishness. The RSI is also trying to give a trade with a negative slope, or trying to trade with slight bearishness. Now look at 4-hour charts, similar observation here, but one more observation here on the 4-hour charts is the flat top here, which is giving a confirmation that 82.6 certainly going to provide the next level of resistance. Beyond that, possibly we may see it flying high. Stochastic has retraced a bit. The MACD divergent and bearish here, but very little divergence is seen. RSI is also looking down here. So see, even if it is trying to trade with slight bearishness, however, trading with caution here. Now look at the daily charts. Firstly, last 2 candles, lower highs, lower lows, and it is trading in a very narrow zone, very narrow trading range. And that is the level 82.6 levels, beyond which you can expect a little rise. However, only 83, 83.2 and 83.5, these 2 levels, once it breaches, then only we can expect a good bullish move. Else, now see here, lower lows were seen there previously. It can get a pull down and get the support here at 81.4, 81 levels. So I will recommend you to sell here at 82. And now see, before I recommended the stock stick is overbought, the MACD is bullish trying to converge a bit, and RSI trading very near to the high. So considering this, sell at 82, buy at 82.6. For this $0.6, do not take any position in crude oil. On the upside, be very alert till 83.5, beyond which it is going to fly high for 85 levels. And plus is also can be expected. On the downside, yes, till 81.4 and 81 levels we have to be extremely alert, and then below that 79.4 levels. So these levels, till the time oil respects, we have to be very cautious with the trades there, and you have to trail your stop losses there. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. Now, before I proceed with the net gas, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Learn the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you become a profitable trader. So do always invest in your learning first. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details again. Now, look at the hourly charts or net gas. See the rise, slight retracement, and this time it has given a good gap. Now, gap up is always indicative of a slight bullishness. However, it always creates a fear that it can try to fill the gap. Right now, if you look at the hourly chart, see it is certainly given you lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to break past 2.3. Now see 2.3, 2.32 zone is going to be very important for net gas. If it breaks past 2.32, certainly you can stay long in net gas, and we are going to look forward to a very good rise till towards 2.5 levels. But let's be watchful, because see the stock stick is overbought here and trying to look down. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI is also trading overbought, and hence slight retracement on the downside cannot be denied. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, a flat bottom with a slight lower lows are done. It may try to extend. Once it breaks beyond 2.3, certainly you can see a little rise, but then most importantly, wait for it to break past 2.32 zone. Very important resistance there. Stock stick is overbought on the 2-hour charts. MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also overbought. Now see, NG has traded so many days, so many weeks in an oversold zone, but then see it can sustain overbought levels also equally. You have to be watchful there. Now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, it's trading outside Bollinger Bands, and it is getting a little resistance here. I think probably it may try to consolidate a bit, but then 2.828 on the downside is going to act as a very good support, only below which you can expect it to drop a little below 2.28, 2.26, 2.24, 2.22. Every you can say 2 cents there is little support there on the downside. See stock stick consistently trading overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is flat near to the top, near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts a slight pullback is seen. There is a big wick on the upside. Tail is yet to be created, and possibly if this candle closes at 2.3, and the next candle certainly might take it further up. Staying above 2.32 will bring more bullishness. So 2.28 is the level below which you can sell, that is for sure. The stock stick is overbought. The MACD here on the 4-hour charts have crossed over from the bottom. It is still divergent, is still bullish. RSI is trading flat near to the top. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, first it retraced a bit. Triple bottom is done at 2.06. This time it is given a breakout. Just let it stay above 2.32, and then beyond that here you will find 2.36, 2.42 levels. So these levels are going to play a very important role. However, look, it is consolidated for long. It is looking forward to an upward move. I will be looking forward to 2.5 levels in a very soon here for NG. The stock stick is seen rising. The MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Considering this, only sell entry at 2.28, but then also till on the downside 2.26, 2.24, 2.22 dollar levels are going to 2.22 and $2.2 levels are going to play a very important role. Only bearishness is seen if you see it trading below 2.2. On the upside, 2.32, 2.34 zone, it needs to just break past by, and then 2.38, 2.5 levels are the next targets. Stay long, take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.